Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So today we're comparing Proton Mail and Google Workspace. Both are great options for handling your digital life, but they work in completely different ways. One platform focuses mainly on privacy and protecting your personal information, while the other focuses on productivity, collaboration, and helping teams work faster. Let's look at how they stack up so you can choose the best one for your needs. Whether you're an individual user, a small business owner, or part of a larger organization, the biggest difference between these two is how they handle your private data. Proton Mail is built entirely around privacy. It uses end-to-end encryption, and this means your messages are scrambled the moment you send them. Only you and the person receiving the email can read them. This approach gives users more control over their information because sensitive conversations, business emails, and private documents are protected from unwanted access. Not even Proton can see what's inside your inbox. They're based in Switzerland, which has some of the strictest privacy laws in the world. This makes Proton Mail especially popular among people who care about digital privacy, such as journalists, security-focused professionals, and users who simply want more control over their personal data. Google Workspace is different. It is very secure against hackers, but Google holds the keys to your data. They can scan emails to give you smart features, show ads, and train their systems. Google's approach is built around convenience. By analyzing information within its services, Google can provide features like smarter search, automatic suggestions, and improved productivity tools. For many businesses, these features are extremely useful because they help employees save time and work more efficiently. Next, let's talk about the everyday tools you get. Google Workspace is the king of teamwork. You get Gmail, Google Docs, Sheets, and Google Meet. It is incredibly easy to share a file and work with your team at the exact same time. This real-time collaboration is one of Google's biggest advantages. Multiple team members can edit documents, leave comments, schedule meetings, and manage projects without needing separate software. For companies with remote teams or employees in different locations, these tools can make communication much easier. Proton has grown a lot too. They offer Proton Workspace, which is Mail, Drive, Calendar, and even Proton Docs for writing. You can edit files together in real time now, but the features are still much simpler than Google's advanced tools. Proton is improving quickly, and it provides a strong alternative for users who want productivity features while keeping privacy as the main priority. However, if your team depends on advanced document editing, large-scale collaboration, or complex workflows, Google Workspace still has a much larger ecosystem. Storage is another key point. Google gives you more storage space on its basic plans, making it cheaper if you have massive files. This can be a major advantage for businesses that store large amounts of documents, videos, images, and other files in the cloud. Proton plans cost a bit more, but they throw in extra privacy tools like built-in password manager and a secure virtual private network. These additional tools can be valuable for users who want an all-in-one privacy package instead of only an email service. The choice comes down to what you value more. If you want top-tier privacy and don't want big tech companies looking at your data, go with Proton Mail. It is a great choice for users who prioritize encryption, security, and control over their information. If you need powerful tools to collaborate with a large team, Google Workspace is the right fit. It offers a complete productivity ecosystem that many businesses already rely on every day. At the end of the day, neither option is better for everyone. The right choice depends on whether your priority is maximum privacy or maximum productivity. If you find the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share.